Hi everyone, I'm Robin, and did you know that the age statement on a whiskey bottle indicates the youngest whiskey that went into producing that batch? Unless the bottle says single barrel or single cask, it is most likely made up of a blend of a bunch of different barrels from that distillery. Even if it says small batch, that means nothing, and each distillery has their own definition of what small batch actually means. For example, Heaven Hill's small batch is about 200 barrels. That's not very small. Each barrel has a slightly different flavor profile depending on where in the warehouse it was stored and how old it is. And the blender or the master blender at the distillery is the one who's in charge of keeping consistency between each batch. So they know the flavor profile that they're going for, and they pull barrels accordingly, blend them together, and make sure that that batch matches the previous batches. So if a whiskey label says that it's a 10-year-old whiskey, that means that the youngest barrel that went into that batch is 10 years old. There are other barrels that could be older than that, but they cannot be any younger than 10 years. Isn't that neat?